The Three Laws of Motion by Isaac Newton. Law 1, the law of inertia. This video shows that there is force, because after the guy pushing the chair lets go, the person in the chair continues to move. This is law 2. Changes.
Don't make any noises. You need to.
Law 3. For the last video, it is showing that everything gives off force, and sometimes it is more force than you when, like in the video, the person rolls back, or when it's less than you and the wall breaks. It's long. Shut up!